Maddie, and I just wanted to say our new YouTube Barbie show is called Candace and Maddie, and we really want you guys to tune in and watch it, right, Maddie? Yep. And I'm just so excited for it. I know you guys have been waiting for the wait for a super long time. It's just gonna be totes awesome, and it's just gonna be totes like amazed balls. And I'm just so excited for you guys to tune in and watch it. It's gonna be totes fab perkalicious. Yes, perkalicious. That's the word we're using. Yes, Maddie, no shh. Anyways, guys, sorry for the wait, and just when it comes out, it's just gonna be like a little present for y'all, and I'm just so excited for it. Okay, guys, so just have a Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and Happy Merry Kwanzaa. Tune in to Candace and Maddie, coming soon to your YouTube. Laters.